lesson 3. So lesson 3 is perhaps you've gotten some tests run, mold has been identified. Now it's time to make a plan. So I'm going to make a whole video on this one, even though this is probably most often overlooked. So before you just start diving into stuff, you need to pause and know what you're getting into. This will save you a lot of time and money. So, you may be like in this kind of anxiousness to get started, or you may be feeling like you want to avoid getting started with this whole process. But if you take a moment to plan and learn a little bit more, you're going to feel better about moving into actually action. So if you don't have my book yet, this is exactly how I structure it. So first stage is discover, second stage is do. So don't too quickly move into do, and don't stop before the do happens. You do need to take action if you have mold in your body or mold in your home or both. It's not going to go away on its own. So get organized, because it's a big project. Who is going to be supporting you as far as practitioners, as far as childcare, as far as things you need for the home? Are you going to go live elsewhere? It's a huge question, and I get it. Unfortunately, it's an environmental illness, so you cannot heal in the environment that is making you sick. Changes are going to need to be made right when your brain isn't working very well. So it's not an easy situation, but slowing down and planning can help quite a bit. And then it can help you not make mistakes, especially in the home arena. So one thing some people will do is take all their stuff and move to a new place. Well, guess what? Your stuff is contaminated with mycotoxins if you've been there long enough or the exposure was strong enough. So now you've messed up a new place. We move stuff in our cars and then messed up our cars. We move stuff up from the basement so it could be repaired, and then that stuff was all in our living space. So there's tons of mistakes you can make. It's best to just slow down, come learn with us. Again, we have our free masterclass on mold coming up. I also have this book on Amazon. It's only 20 bucks, and it can save you thousands of bucks in mistakes to be made. You also want to think about considerations like detoxing for children, or if you have certain conditions or medications you're on, start to just learn and get ready for how you're going to move into the next phase.